guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below. We're going to be doing another smoky liner look, but I've been really wanting to do it with Maroon, so we did it with this palette today. It is absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to comment down below. The first person to comment on the video will get a shout out in my next video. Thank you to Miss Bennett and Stephanie Martin for being the first people to comment on my last video. Not only do your comments help me to know what you guys like to watch, but it also helps out my channel. I love your guys' interaction and I really appreciate it. I'll be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, and it will be the blow dryer I got, my BoxyCharm, and a $40 palette. So don't miss out on that. Subscribe, and let's just get into the video. So ever since I filmed this video a while back, I've kind of been thinking about this ever since, so I really want to do it, but I wasn't sure if I should or not, putting them too close together. I have so much lash glue stuck to my eyelids. We're just gonna ignore it. Okay, yeah, I wanted to do this video for a minute ever since I did the last one like this, but I don't know, I felt like I shouldn't put too many videos exactly the same too close together, so I haven't done it yet. So I've just kind of been waiting, but I feel like enough time has passed that it really won't be bad. We're going to take some concealer. I don't know if it's reading right, but take some concealer here. And I'm going in with the lightest concealer because I like the way that looks on my eyes. And we're going to pat that in. I did the tape the last time I did this look too. I just like the sharpness it gives. You don't have to use tape, but this is going to be the easiest way to create this shape. It's going to give you the best result. You can do the shape yourself. I just like that sharpness. Okay, so we're going to go into this palette. We're going to go into this palette. It's one of my favorites. I don't use it very often just because, as you can see, the colors are kind of that understated, like, I don't know, I don't see a lot of people wanting to wear these colors right now. So we're going to go into that guy. And we're going to take it on the lash line. We're gonna see if I'm still in frame if I do that. We're gonna take it just like that. I really love how this looked when I did it with the black, but you can do it with any color you think would look nice, and I was just thinking to myself how pretty a pinky maroon smoked wing would be, and I just could not get it off my mind. I was like, this would be so gorgeous, and the perfect palette for this would of course be my Just Peachy palette. Like, ugh, I just love the colors in it so much. And I'm probably going to use the same brush for most of the eye look. I'm just going to dip into that color. And I'm going to sweep it across the lid. we're following the shape of my lash line, like we're just following that, but kind of blending it up. We're just kind of blending that up. I'm going to go into a little bit of this real quick and fix that where I don't have my glasses in, so I can't exactly 100% see what I'm doing. But I'm trying to have you guys zoomed in so you guys can see what I'm doing. I go back into that tan shade a little bit and give it a little bit more. Okay, now we're going to take a smaller blending brush, just because we don't want we're going to go in a little bit darker and we don't want that to be quite as smoked out. We want it to be a little bit more precise. So we're going to go into the maroon color here, like that, and we're going to place it down. That, bring it along the lash line and just kind of again smoke it out. It is hotter than the devil's titties in here. You can only run one air conditioner at a time in our house, and the one we got running is in the living room because it cools off the whole house better. But it's hot in here. I'm gonna go in with an even smaller blending brush, and we're gonna go in with a little bit of both of these. Can you see? Can you even see what I'm doing? We're gonna follow that line even more so. We just want it to be like a very maroony, smoky winged liner. Okay. This palette does not have a black either, so I'm going to even further this by going into this palette. But whatever palette you own that has a black in it, go for it. And then you're gonna take it again on the lash line. It is hot. Okay, I'm doing that on both sides just a little bit to give it that line. Okay, now I'm going to take this big one again. We're going to kind of go into this tan shade. I'm just going to spread it all over. Kind of blend it all together. Make it, yeah, okay, so we're going to take a little bit of that maroon again, and we're going to also blend that in because we want the maroon to show up. and it's kind of making it muddy, but in the best way possible. Like, you'll see, it will look put together in a way that you don't think, and it's perfect. I'm going to a little bit of a mixture of lighter shades here, so we can take that along the brow bone a little bit. And I honestly love a full matte look, so this is like giving me vibes. Ugh, I love full matte looks. Like, you cannot convince me that this doesn't look good. It just is. It's just good. Okay. Now we don't want to like go overboard, but we do want to do a little bit of liner, not like a whole ton. I'm going to put a little bit down. It doesn't have to be like super precise, but you know, you want a little bit. Okay. It doesn't have to be super perfect. Like I said, you're not really supposed to see it too awful much, but I'm going to go ahead and put my face makeup on, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm hella frustrated right now. I decided to put on my lashes before I turn the camera back on, and in the midst of it, I realized that my eyeliner has transferred, and it hasn't ever done that before. The only difference is I used this setting spray, and I used about a pound of it, which is probably why. But the issue that I'm having is, one, it dries out way too quickly, and for two, it's not dewy at all. It's super like matte, and just not, it's not giving me what I want out of it. So that is why I sprayed it, but it's not doing the things that I want. So I'm getting super frustrated. I thought I'd come on and let you know I'm trying to fix this liner mess, because it is exactly that. It is a giant fucking mess. Excuse my language. I'm just getting frustrated. I mean, look at that. You can't get rid of that. And it's just getting worse, I feel like. I'm trying to like cover it up, and it's just there. Ugh, it's so frustrating. Like, I literally have worked on these eyes for like 5 minutes. I was gonna get on and be like, this is such a simple look to do, and then I seen that and I was like, ugh, you son of a bitch. Playing me till the end. You know it. Ugh. Doesn't help that it's like 8 million degrees in this room, and so like my frustration is heightened from being hot. You guys tell me, do you guys ever get that way? Like, just being hot, it makes you frustrated. You're just like, it is just, I should not be this hot. I don't know. It's super frustrating. I've spent so long. We're just gonna leave it like it is. It does look very pretty, except for those liner marks, if you can see them. I'm not redoing my whole eye. I'm just not gonna do it. I'm just gonna bitch about it the whole time. That's just what's gonna happen. But I do think this look is super gorgeous. I do love the smoke. It just, ugh. The pink is exactly what I wanted. Like exactly what I wanted to a T. And because I was trying to fix my eyeshadow, now my lash on this side is fucked. Oh well, we're just gonna pretend today. You guys just pretend with me. If you have young kids, I am so sorry. I have such a bad potty mouth. I try not to cuss, but sometimes I can't help it. And by try not to cuss, I mean I cuss and then I'm like, oh shoot, I wasn't supposed to cuss. Or I'll get done and I'll be like, I cussed a lot in that video. I wish I hadn't. Either I'm going to end up just doing a speed through where you can't hear what I'm saying and I'm just talking the whole time, or I'm gonna have a lot of chops in my video, or you're just gonna hear it. And although a liquid lip would look really nice, I don't know. I'm kind of feeling the gloss too. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Should I have done a liquid lip, or does this look good? What do you guys think? I am sweating my nuts off. I'm seriously dying in here. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below. Let me know what looks you'd like to see next down in the comments, or what other videos you'd like to see on my channel. Leave a comment down below letting me know whether you like this look, what I could have done differently, how I should have handled the eyeliner situation, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.